Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, RideNexus, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today, we are looking at a machine that redefines the limits of a supercar. Imagine the raw power of a Lamborghini, but built for the unforgiving desert dunes. This is the ultimate all-terrain supercar concept, a perfect blend of Italian luxury and rugged off-road engineering. The first thing that grabs your attention is the striking gallo yellow finish. It contrasts beautifully with the golden sand. The design follows Lamborghini's iconic wedge-shaped, aggressive, and aerodynamic ensuring. It looks fast even when it's standing still. Looking at the rear, we see the signature Y-shaped LED lights, a DNA trait of models like the Aventador and Revuelto. Below that, notice the massive carbon fiber diffuser and dual high-mounted exhausts. These aren't just for show. They are designed to provide maximum clearance while driving over uneven sand. Under the hood, or rather, under those sleek rear louvers, we expect a monster, most likely a 5.2 liters V10 or a hybrid V12, pushing out over 600 to 800 horsepower. With an advanced all-wheel drive system, this beast can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, even on a loose surface.